back to the channel, guys. It's been 2 years of owning this Ultra B, riding the Ultra B, and there is a bad problem with these grips. Over the last 2 years of riding and the heat, these grips have just deteriorated and just turned into a goopy, sticky mess. This side here has a clamp-on style grip, so I've loosened that up and it should slide right off and we can replace that side. This side is on a plastic tube, so we'll have to see how this will come apart. I might just have to cut the entire grip off. So I've loosened up the hand guards. I'm going to pull those off. I'm just going to loosen up the end bolt so it can slide out. Then I'm going to remove this bolt here, and the hand guard should come off pretty easily. Alright, to do this you'll need a razor blade or utility knife to scrape off the grip. You'll need some metric hexes to remove hand guards if you have hand guards. If you don't have hand guards, then you won't need the hex set. Then grab some zip ties, and this is going to help you to install the grip on the throttle tube. I'm going to keep that insert in that guard. Now it's got a plastic tube on this one, so I may have to just peel the entire grip off of it. I did look around. You can either get the plastic replacement throttle tube, or Warp 9 actually has a replacement aluminum one that will be much better for replacing grips on, much easier to do. But I'm going to see if we can do it with this plastic one, otherwise I may just get the aluminum one and replace this. Same thing over here, going to loosen up the outside here. I'm going to pull this bolt off here. I'm just going to leave these handlebar clamps on. That way they'll stay in the position that I had them. I won't have to adjust them again. Slip them back on and they should be in the right place. You may have to just loosen it up slightly and get your bolt backed out a little bit. Tap it in with a hammer or something. That will loosen up the insert. Now you can loosen up this grip and that will slide right off. Now I went with Pro Taper grips. They're pretty common grips, and you'll have two different sizes in here. One for your throttle tube, one for your left hand over here. So the smaller one will fit right on the handlebar. And since I have the wraparound guards, I'm going to have to cut the ends off of these. What is this? Alright, well, after 10-15 minutes of scraping, you should have something like this. I think I will eventually replace this plastic tube with an aluminum. It just feels like soft plastic, so aluminum is probably going to be a lot nicer. I'm going to line the throttle back up, tighten it back down. I've got the end cut off. Should go right up to there, and if I need to, I'll trim the end off. Now, one trick I've seen for installing the grips is to get yourself a bunch of zip ties and just kind of put those around the grip. That'll allow you to slide the grip over. So let's see if it works. I just want to get the zip ties all around the grip. Just so we have some surface to slide on. I don't know how many zip ties to use. Get the ends all in here. And I want my logo to line up with the other side. And I don't want to twist the throttle. Got it started on there. Get it lined up. Go ahead and shove it on. It may take a bit to work it on there. Then you can pull your zip ties out. That worked pretty well. Okay, so the zip tie trick does work. Recommend that. I would recommend replacing this plastic with the aluminum though. Alright, that's all the way up to that plastic part in there on the throttle tube. Stick our hand guards back on, should be good to go. Alright, that is looking good. Alright guys, we got the grips installed. It only took me about 30 minutes. Most of the time it's just scraping off this throttle tube over here. Other than that, it's pretty fast and simple, and you don't have to mess with these goopy, sticky, nasty grips anymore. Got pro tapers down in the description if you want to pick these up. I'll leave a link for the Warp 9 throttle tube if you want to pick up an aluminum tube. I'll probably replace that with the Warp 9 or an aluminum one, just so it's easier to replace grips in the future. Alright, the grips are replaced. Let's go riding. Oh yeah, these feel much thicker, much more comfortable. Oh, the teeter-totter fell over. Maybe someone pushed it over. Should we ride the teeter-totter on this? Yeah, let's do the teeter-totter. That back in there. Where should we put it? That's not sketchy at all. Right there. These grips are so much better. They fit much better in the hand, and highly recommend them. So check the link in the description if you want to pick up some new grips, how to change the grips on your Ultra Bee. Probably similar for a lot of other electric bikes. Hope this video was helpful. Be sure to subscribe, follow along, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.